So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today. We have William George. He is 48 and he's from Pondicherry. And we have the angel coach Raksha Jain. She's from Hyderabad. So, before coming to this call, I was told that William was having certain health issues. He was having hypotension, which is low blood pressure. He was having hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar. He was having anorexia, that is lack of hunger from last 3 years. He was having chronic insomnia from 10 years. He was having chronic constipation from 6 years. He was having dark yellow urine coming, and he had dysuria, that is burning sensation in urine. He was having peripheral neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes and feet. He was having back pain, left knee pain, and he was also having costochondritis, which is pain in the right ribs. He was having very slow breathing, and he was having anhidrosis, that is lack of sweating, and he was also having hyperpigmentation, right? He was also having orthostatic hypotension, which is giddiness when standing. He was also having gastritis. He was also having pharyngitis, that is throat pain. He was having abdominal pain, flatulence, fatigue, and anxiety related tremors. So these were the health issues, and everything has been reversed. And he was taking Ayurveda medicines. He do not believe in medicine, but he was giving Ayurveda medicines. And since he came to naturopathy, and let's come directly to William. So William, over to you. If you can please unmute yourself, how has been your journey in naturopathy? Yeah, over to you, please. William, we are not able to hear you. Yeah,
Hello?
can you speak now? Yeah, you're audible now. You're audible. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, 3 years back, I got what you said, now same problem. Like that first problem is I'm not able to hunger, no appetite, no thirst, no sleeping. So many problems came. After that, I saw your program in Instagram. Then I registered. After that, I entered to that program. Before, I lost so many problems. Only simple problem, it will become day by day, it will increase so many things. Not in same level, it will keep on going so many problems. So I decided to, I not taking any medicine. Even Corona also, I didn't took vaccine. Still now, I didn't take any vaccine. I last 10 to 15 years, I don't take any medicines, English medicine, no injection, nothing. But due to my wrong lifestyle, I got these problems. Finally, I got Go Nature. Very thanks to you. Then I registered. Then I got Raksha Madam coach. They given me such a very good plan. And after that, due to many problems, I lost my organ failure also. I noticed. So many problems, keep long hours, I got organ failure also. See, for any mechanism, for by car and all, we can change that mechanic parts. But human being, it's very, very impossible. So, Raksha Madam gave me such a good plan. Means they change my lifestyle, breathing habits. Then also they given me to raw materials, what we are eating now, they change whole day plan. I keep on doing all those things. I felt improving my all the problems, sir. Especially blood work. Finally, I got my blood work also some more problem. Slow by changed. Now I become very improved. All those. Finally, I got my kidney area also pain, severe pain. My lung area also got a pain. Finally, it will go reduced, again came back, then again reduced. Now I got completely that pain also, everything gone. And also, I feel very energetically. So, my results will help for these team members. I think so.
Yes, amazing. It is an amazing case study. This is really a topic of research. The problems you are having, and the suffering all gone. Amazing, William. You have really done it very well, very well. So let's come to your angel coach, Raksha. Raksha, if you can please unmute yourself. So how has been the journey? You have nailed it, Raksha. This case was like kind of impossible. So over to you. If you can please unmute yourself.
So, good evening, Captain. Good evening to everybody in the room. Thank you so much, William, for your kind words. So, initially, William was told 3 years back that his kidneys have been shrinked and he has to drink less amount of water. Okay. So, he used to take only 1 liter of water and his output was only ½ liter. Slowly and gradually, we tried to increase the amount of water when we saw the improvement in his kidney parameters. And now, he's able to drink around 3 liters of water because his kidneys are functioning properly. That's the major thing that I want to add over here. So, no sleep, no hunger, no energy, low blood pressure, low blood sugar, all these parameters were completely interlinked. So as soon as we changed the diet, we saw the improvements in all these things. But the pain that he had near his ribs, okay, which is near around his kidneys as well, that was reluctant. That which what we didn't see the improvement. So after that, he renewed the plan after the 3-month journey. And now he's completed around 5 months and all the pain is completely gone now. Okay, so I have also suggested him to go for the scan, but since we do not force for any kind of scannings, we don't go for that. Since his parameters are normal, his symptoms are not there, that is why we can go without it as well. Okay, so those were the parameters that we have helped him through. He has been disciplined throughout. Initially, the healing was slow, but yes, he had the trust and faith. That's why he never take allopathy medications earlier. He got the COVID 3 times, but he didn't take any antibiotics. Okay. So thank you so much, William, for giving this opportunity to us to heal you. Trust me, it gives us so much immense pleasure to bring you out of this pain. He used to tell me all the time, ma'am, this is paining. There is burning sensation in eyes, in feet, in urine. Everywhere he's feeling that his complete body is burning due to the disorders that he was facing. But right now he's all out of everything. Thank you so much for giving such a brief, William. You were really kind and humble. Thank you so much, Vishal sir. I'm grateful for the opportunity that I have over here. Thank you.
Thank you, Raksha. You are really the angel. So just before I end this, William, just want to ask you one question. What is the message for those people who prefer allopathy or other medicines over naturopathy? Any medicine, because there are a lot of people in the room who still believe that allopathy is the only way out or the surgeries are the only way out. Any message for the masses, those who are watching you?
No, sir. If you go for allopathy medicine, see, I told last 10 years I didn't take any medicine. If I got pain also, headache pain also, I never took any medicine tablet or because if you have that problem, it will give another problem.
Yes.
Future, it will give more and more another problem. That is very keep on lifelong medicine. So I never took any medicine. Even also I did COVID also I never take vaccine. So
Well
if
done.
we give naturopathy, if you give that raw materials to our body naturally, it will cleanse all the wastage. Then it will make new blood, new kidneys, new lung, new tissues. So after that we will lifelong free. This will never other medicine, it will never happen because I took all those allopathy before. All those medicine I went, homeopathy, acupuncture, everything I went, I got any remedies. Only after naturopathy, only is the final. I also told to Raksha madam also, madam, I strongly believe naturopathy. Till the end, my problem is not 1 day or 2 day or 1 month. It will took more than 20 years, 25 years, my lifestyle problem. I make this problem. Till clear, I will continue naturopathy. I told one day, they told, okay, you are doing understanding very good naturopathy. So keep moving, William. We will support you. They give me such a very good support. Thanks to Raksha madam. Who are all watching this video, please your final solution is only naturopathy. See, please continue. One day you will get very good results. Thank you, sir.
Amazing. Thank you so much, William. So everybody just type MPTY in the chat box for William and MPTY Raksha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.